Hi, good morning. My name is Sergeant Kevin D. Iglesia. I'm taking a Bachelor of Science and Computer Science under the teaching of Miss Aisa. And today I will give you a simple video tutorial on how to simplify recurrences. Recurrences have two methods, the substitution method and the iteration method. So, the substitution method has a general formula of T of n is equal to AT times the quantity of n over b plus n to the k. So this is the general formula na gagamitin natin mamaya para makuha yung comparison ng mga values na makukuha natin sa isang equation. So let's have an example. T of n is equal to t times the quantity of n over 2 plus 1. So kukunin natin ang mga value ng a, b, and k para makapag-compare tayo ng mga values. So, a is equal to 1, dito nang galing sa 80. So, b is equal to 2, galing sa n over 2. Kasi sa general formula natin is n over b rather. So, k is equal to 0. Ito yung exponent ng n, which is 1. So, kaya siya is naging k is equal to 0. Tapos, gamit tayo sa panang formula na sa pag-compare na a question mark b to the k para makita natin kung anong comparison ang gagamitin natin. So, substitute natin yung mga values na to dito. So, maging kalalabasan niya is 1 is equal to 1. So, ito is papasok siya sa number 2 na formula na t of n is equal to big O of n to the k times the logarithm of n. So, therefore, kapag sinasubstitute na natin itong k as 0 dito sa formula na to, therefore, itong t of n is equal to t times the quantity of n over 2 plus 1 is a big O of logarithm n. So, thank you. Ganun lang kadali ang substitution method.